What is the perfect online business? One that is self-funding. One that forces me to succeed without any input from me. One that gives me a website that changes daily. One that has an unlimited global reach. One that gives me unlimited customers. One where I don't have to recruit or refer. One that gives me awesome products. One that gives me the best traffic. One that runs with the latest AI technology. One that is hands-free, totally passive. One that runs on auto for me. One that gives me an unlimited residual income. One that lets me access my income whenever I want, no need to request or wait for the approval. One that keeps running for me 24/7, 365 days. One that guarantees success. All this would for me be the perfect business, requiring none of my time, so I can travel the world or just spend quality time with my family. Onpassive has all this. I have found the perfect business. Have you? If you haven't, then PM me. I can still get you in as a founder of this incredible company. David Ball, British Columbia. A Bill Must production.